G'day trendsetters, I'm up here with my magnificent mandarin. Basically all I want to show you is the flush of new growth that this has put on in the last month. We're at the end of September, and all I've done with this tree is add a bag of the Whoflungdung feeding mulch from Nutrog. Now in another month, early November, I will be adding another bag of Whoflungdung, and I'll also add about half a kilogram of the Rooster Booster fertilizer. But this guy is powering on. And also I made a video a couple of weeks ago about how much water to put on this guy, and we've still had no rain, but this guy is just powering. It just goes to show that if what you put in, that you usually get the results back. So for citrus you do need a good watering and feeding regime, as well as a mulching regime, which I've addressed in a couple of other videos, and I'll put a link up in the description for those videos that I've done. But there's one other thing. I've got a little lime tree down, I'll take you down, and it's got a couple of little suckers on the rootstock that I want to show you that need to be removed. So we'll go and do that now. Okay, so this is my Lisbon lemon, and it's been getting about 50 to 60 litres of water per week, and probably every degree over 30 degrees I'll add an extra 10 litres to that. So if it's been a week where it's been 32, 33 degrees, I'll go somewhere around 70, 80 litres of water. And I might break that up into two applications, of 40 once and then 50 another 2 or 3 days later, so as it's not getting it all in one go. But heaps of flowers, you can see the flowers. I'm going to have a bumper crop of lemons, and also just starting to put out some nice new growth. But over here, this is my dwarf Tahitian lime. It's I've only had this a couple of years. So flowering like mad since I've applied. This is the Whoflungdung. That's all it looks like. It's all, you can see it's all nice and moist there still. But this is a weed. We don't want that. But this is there's two little suckers here. Can you see just this little? It's going to be hard, isn't it? Just a little one there and a little one there. So I don't need to cut these. They're fresh. I'll just rub them off. And how I can tell it's a rootstock, you'll see this is the Tahitian lime part of the tree here, and they usually come out at a weird angle, and there's different coloured bark. So I know this is the rootstock, and I don't want any growth coming out of this whatsoever, because it will just take over and leave the poor little Tahitian lime behind. So there, Whoflungdung loves citrus, and citrus loves Whoflungdung. It would be a great help to me if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel. Help me to make more videos like this. Hopefully you found it somewhat useful and informative, at least. But it's probably it for today. So cheers, thanks for watching, and a bit of luck. I'll catch you in the next video.